in the Pathfinder. I'm gonna let some of these people go there because I'm not gonna be an idiot. This is gonna show because my 6'3" frame is currently set the seat to as far down as it'll go. Got a couple of 18-year-old hoonigans in the Mustang, so still record. Finally got this cleaned up a little bit. Got my backpack with my camera equipment in the front seat here. Pull that out. 3 Mustangs ahead of me. Said pull to the left, right?
Yeah, pull over right there.
Yep. See, you got a RT Charger, a little Z4, brand new Colorado. Mercedes with a GoPro on the roof. I'm gonna get in the very back. I'm not gonna mod this thing. The Mustang with a GoPro. Tesla Model 3. Toyota 4Runner. Let's see who else they're gonna let through. Corolla. Okay. Looks like a model Lotus Elise in the next group. I want to do the chicane. See, there's going down the front stretch. Track's actually fairly bumpy. And I have a feeling this Corolla is gonna be right in the way. Coming up here, nice little bit of elevation change. I do like this addition to the Roval here, and it is tight. We saw them practice in Xfinity for the Xfinity race last year. That it will clog up right here really bad, and we saw that in the Cup race too, on that infamous restart. Coming down into the first horseshoe. Very hard braking zone right here. I've heard stories of Patrick Staropoli wrecking a brand new Toyota Camry in this section on the old road course. Come out to the curb. Open up the VQ. This Corolla's gonna be this is a very tricky little section there. A little dip right there going into that corner right here. Going into NASCAR turn 1 right now. About 24 degrees of banking. This is so unsettling. And I'm not supposed to be passing there, but this guy is kind of... See, I already got a full straightaway to the RAV4. Oh, we're not even doing the new chicane. Oh, it's not even doing the chicane yet. Oh, that's disappointing. think they're done construction on it. That's why. Look at this seam right here on the outside lane, the Kyle Larson lane. Turn that off. And I'm back caught up with the Corolla. This is disappointing. The rumble strips. All three Mustangs are right caught up. Four ways come on just a little bit on the Corolla. I don't know who's in this Corolla, but I think I'm freaking them out a little bit. There's a wrench set rolling around in the back, if you can hear that. 70 mile an hour. Oh, come on, go. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of a little banking. Your Corolla can do it. Man, this track's bumpy. And I got the safety truck in behind me now. Still recording? Yes. Last lap. Fucking tools going everywhere. Sorry for any F-bombs, but I'm just so happy right now. So happy. I want to see if I can take the shop dually on this next time. This is just hilarious. A little bit of rear tire spin from the VQ. Looks like we might get one more lap. I am just having the time of my life. You can't. It's so much curve in the bank in here, you can't even see the safety truck behind you. $80-mile-an-hour Corolla's finally getting up on it. And they're stopping. Really hard braking. This no runoff too. This is why it's so treacherous right here. There is absolutely no runoff at this place. Let's see if I can get a little goosey. Good slide there. Good slide. Probably put it at 9 and 3 instead of 10 and 2. Proper driving. Not overheating, so that's good. Hopefully, and these 5-speed automatic transmissions that were in these early Pathfinders and Frontiers and Xterras were known for not being reliable, so I'm just kind of not trying to mob it too hard. See, I got the hood flutter there. I still gotta fix that. And the safety truck's caught back up, so we are done. That was a blast. And you don't really appreciate just how rough the track is. Oh my God, they finally took the chicane. I'm still recording, yes I am. And then around the Legends track. Model 3. It's probably, I do smell brakes, it's probably my brakes. Looks like we got the next set of cars going out. The Lotus has dropped back. Looks like we got a GTO, a mid-2000s Pontiac GTO, another Mustang, a Toyota Sienna minivan, a couple nondescript gray cars, sedans, and a Toyota Camry. Brakes. we try to exit. Well, thanks for watching, folks. That was a blast.